Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're scratching your head over the D17 error code on your Maytag washer from 2025 models, don't worry, we're diving straight into it. This error typically pops up when there's an issue with the door lock mechanism, meaning your washer thinks the door isn't securely closed or locked properly. It's a common problem that can stem from simple things like dirt buildup, a faulty sensor, or even a worn-out door latch. First off, let's talk about why this happens. Over time, lint, soap residue, or even a bit of wear and tear can interfere with the door's locking system. If you've got kids or pets, they might have accidentally bumped the door, triggering this error. The good news? You can often fix this yourself without calling in a pro. Start by unplugging your washer from the power source for safety. That gives it a chance to reset. Next, inspect the door seal and latch for any visible debris. Grab a soft cloth and some mild detergent to gently clean around the lock area. Make sure nothing's blocking it, like coins or fabric bits. Once that's done, plug the washer back in and try running a test cycle. If the error persists, you might need to check the control panel or perform a hard reset by holding down the start button for 10 seconds. Remember, if you're not comfortable tinkering with electrical parts, it's best to contact Maytag customer support or a certified technician. They can diagnose if it's a wiring issue or something more serious. By following these steps, you'll have your washer up and running in no time, saving you money and hassle. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more home appliance tips. See you next time.